My Engines is the user-scoped place to connect a local CLI runner, such as Rscript, M+, Python, or a custom wrapper. The tutorial starts after login and after the module gate is already enabled. When the daemon is offline, AI4Meta shows the install banner. The command and load unpacked extension steps are guidance only. The recording does not reveal local bridge tokens or browser credentials. Register engine is where the user chooses the engine type, bridge URL, quick template, argv, input mode, timeout, and input file extension. These fields are the contract the daemon will execute later. The seated row shows the post-registration state, engine ID, display name, bridge URL, offline WebSocket badge, probe, rotate token, edit, test dispatch, and delete. Use these controls instead of editing tokens by hand.